Hello, and welcome to this deep dive into the fascinating world of machine learning. In our increasingly data-driven society, machine learning has emerged as a truly transformative technology, reshaping industries and fundamentally altering our daily interactions. From the personalized recommendations you receive on streaming services to the sophisticated diagnostics employed in modern medicine, and even the advancements in autonomous vehicles, machine learning is pervasively integrated into nearly every aspect of our lives. Its influence continues to grow at an exponential rate, making it a critical field to understand. In this session, our goal is to demystify this powerful technology by exploring its three core categories, providing you with a foundational understanding of how these intelligent systems learn and operate. At its heart, machine learning can be broadly categorized into three fundamental approaches, each designed to tackle different types of problems and work with varying forms of data. These three pillars are supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Together, they form the foundational toolkit for virtually all machine learning applications we encounter today. Supervised learning involves algorithms that learn from explicitly labeled data, akin to learning with a teacher. Unsupervised learning, on the other hand, deals with unlabeled data, seeking to discover hidden patterns and structures without prior guidance. Finally, reinforcement learning focuses on agents learning through trial and error, making decisions to maximize rewards within an environment. We will explore each of these in detail, understanding their unique characteristics and vast applications. Let's begin our deep dive with supervised learning. This approach is conceptually similar to how a student learns from a teacher, hence the term supervised. The algorithm is provided with a dataset where each input example is paired with a corresponding correct output, or label. For instance, if we're teaching a model to predict house prices, we provide it with data points like 1,500 square feet, 3 beds, suburban area, input X, along with its historical selling price of $400,000, output Y. The algorithm learns by finding the intricate mapping or relationship between these input-output pairs. The ultimate goal of supervised learning is to predict future outcomes accurately for new unseen data, effectively generalizing from the examples it has already processed. This makes it ideal for tasks like classifying emails as spam or predicting stock market trends. The process of supervised learning typically involves several key stages. First, the labeled dataset is usually split into a training set and a testing set. The model learns from the training data, discovering the underlying patterns and relationships between inputs and outputs. Once trained, its performance is evaluated on the unseen testing data to ensure it can generalize effectively. Supervised learning primarily encompasses two main types of problems: classification, which involves predicting discrete categories like spam or not spam, or cat versus dog, and regression, which predicts continuous numerical values, such as predicting house prices or temperature. Real-world applications are vast, ranging from highly accurate spam detection and sophisticated image recognition systems to critical medical diagnosis tools where models predict disease presence based on patient data, significantly enhancing diagnostic efficiency. Moving on to unsupervised learning, this paradigm stands in stark contrast to its supervised counterpart. Here, the algorithm is presented with raw, unlabeled data, meaning there are no predefined output labels or correct answers to guide its learning. Imagine being given a large box of assorted Lego bricks without any instructions or pictures of what to build. Your task would be to sort them, perhaps by color, size, or shape, discovering the natural groupings that exist. Similarly, unsupervised learning algorithms must autonomously discover inherent patterns, underlying structures, or hidden relationships within the data. The primary goal is not prediction, but rather exploration and understanding, making sense of complex datasets by finding innate organizations or features. It's about letting the data speak for itself. Unsupervised learning algorithms operate by identifying similarities or differences among data points to form meaningful groups or simplify complex representations. One of the most common techniques is clustering, where data points are automatically grouped into clusters, such that items within a cluster are more similar to each other than to those in other clusters. A great example is customer segmentation, where businesses group customers with similar purchasing behaviors without being told which groups exist beforehand. Another vital technique is dimensionality reduction, which simplifies complex data by reducing the number of input variables while retaining crucial information, making data easier to visualize and analyze. Other applications include anomaly detection for fraud and topic modeling in documents, automatically identifying themes in large text collections. Finally, we arrive at reinforcement learning, a paradigm inspired by behavioral psychology. This approach is distinct because it doesn't rely on labeled data or on discovering hidden structures. Instead, an agent learns to make sequential decisions by performing actions within an environment and observing the rewards or penalties it receives. Think of training a pet. You give it a treat for good behavior, a reward, and scold it for bad behavior, a penalty. The agent's ultimate objective is to discover a policy, a set of optimal actions that maximizes the cumulative reward over time. This learning process often involves significant trial and error, allowing the agent to adapt and improve its decision-making capabilities without explicit programming for every possible scenario, making it incredibly powerful for dynamic and complex problems. In reinforcement learning, the interaction between the agent and its environment is central. The agent observes the current state of the environment, chooses an action based on its current policy, its strategy for choosing actions, and then executes that action. The environment then transitions to a new state and provides a reward or penalty to the agent. This cycle of observation, action, and reward helps the agent iteratively refine its policy to select optimal actions in various states. Key applications include game playing, famously demonstrated by AlphaGo's victory over human Go champions, as well as complex tasks like autonomous navigation for self-driving cars and robotic control for industrial automation. Reinforcement learning excels in situations where it's difficult to define optimal behavior up front, allowing systems to learn the best strategies through experience. Now that we've explored each category, let's briefly compare them. The most significant distinction lies in the data. Supervised learning requires labeled data, input X, output Y, and aims for accurate prediction. Unsupervised learning works with unlabeled data, input X only, focusing on discovery and finding hidden patterns like customer segments. Reinforcement learning, conversely, uses an agent interacting with an environment to learn through trial and error by receiving rewards and penalties, optimizing for cumulative reward. Each category addresses different types of problems depending on the availability of data and the desired outcome. Understanding these fundamental differences is crucial for selecting the appropriate machine learning approach for any given challenge, whether it's forecasting sales, segmenting markets, or developing intelligent autonomous systems. Their unique strengths make them indispensable tools in the ML landscape. As we conclude, remember that supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning are the foundational concepts underpinning the vast and rapidly evolving field of machine learning. While distinct, it's important to note that they are often combined in hybrid models to tackle incredibly complex real-world challenges, leveraging the strengths of each. The landscape of ML is undergoing continuous innovation, with rapid evolution and increasing integration into diverse industries like healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. Looking ahead, the future promises even more sophisticated and autonomous systems, pushing towards concepts like artificial general intelligence, AGI, and demanding a stronger focus on ethical AI. Understanding these core categories is your first step into a world of endless possibilities, where intelligent machines continue to redefine what's achievable.